In this video, I'm trying to tell you that if you're working in Luxembourg and you have your social security card, I have my social security, and it is mine and my kids affiliated to that of my husband, because I'm not working in Luxembourg and I've never worked in Luxembourg. And yeah, in Luxembourg too, there are jobs that are permanent, like permanent for life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Modesta, a Nigerian mommy vlogger living in Luxembourg. If this is your first time coming across my channel, if this is your first time seeing this face, hello, you're highly welcome. Subscribe to the channel, join the family. You really enjoyed here with us. You guys, today I bring to you the individual taxes based on personal income here in Luxembourg. A subscriber asked me to do this on Facebook. She follows me on Facebook, and I know she's also following me on YouTube as well. In case if you're not following me on Facebook, please head over to my Facebook page at Sweet Moxie. You're not following me on Instagram, I am there at Moxie470. You guys, this year I've dedicated it to like being consistent in creating content for you guys. You know, it will not be easy, but I've told myself, little girl, baby girl, take it one step at a time. You'll be all right, okay? And your subscribers will be fine. So there was a time I asked my subscribers to ask me questions. I feel one of the reasons why you should follow me is when I make posts on any of my social media handle, you'll be able to see it, you'll be able to contribute. So if you're not following me, please head over to my Instagram at Moxie470. Follow me there. My Facebook page at Sweet Moxie, and follow me. A subscriber said I should make a content on the taxes here in Luxembourg, and that is basically what this video will be all about. You want to migrate to Luxembourg, you want to know what it is like, you know, the taxes we pay in Luxembourg. This video is for you. Just sit down, sit back, just have your chilled zobo, biscuits, popcorn, whatever by your side, because I feel this is gonna really be interesting, and I feel like I'll be doing a lot of breakdown in this particular video I'm about to make. Yes, because people tell me Luxembourg is expensive. I get to hear that all the time, and I can't even, I don't know, I cannot argue with two people. I cannot argue, but we are still living here and we are fine. See, if you move here, you'll be fine, you'll be all right. Luxembourg might be expensive. This is not to compare any country, but Luxembourg is not more expensive than the UK. Did that ring a bell? Luxembourg might be expensive, but not more expensive than the UK. Yeah, so come closer, let's do this video together. You don't have to go anywhere, don't go nowhere. Let's just dive into this. Luxembourg income tax liability is based on the individual's personal situation. For example, you are married, you are single, you are divorced, you are cohabiting. This is the situation that, you know, that your tax income is based on. If you belong to any of these situations, you will have a tax pertaining to any of these situations. For this purpose, individuals are granted a tax class. I will explain that very well in this video. Now, when I say, I don't know if you have seen the video I made, and I say that Luxembourg is best for raising kids. See, in all the situations I mentioned, you're married, you're this, you're single, you are searching, you are any of those. If you are married and you have kids, the tax will favor you more, because I mean, they understand what it means to raise kids here. So I feel like being married, the tax on you is lesser. And if you are single, like, you have more tax to pay. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. We are just getting down to this video. I told you, chill. We will get down to the video. So in Luxembourg, there are 3 tax classes. Single parents, like you're a single mom, you're a single dad. That is the number 1 tax class. Then you're married. The number 2 is you're married with kids. That is number 2. Number 3, you are single and aged. What I mean by single and aged, like you're single, maybe you're not married, and you are 65 years and above. These 3, the tax in Luxembourg are classified under these three categories or these three classes. Tax in Luxembourg is calculated in accordance with a progressive table ranging from 8% of taxable incomes in excess of 11,265 euros to 42% on income in excess of 200,000 euros. And this has been in existence till the year 2018. Married non-resident taxpayers where one spouse works outside of Luxembourg, or where the individual has an extensive income outside their Luxembourg employment income, will be adversely affected by this provision, as this will increase their tax rates here in Luxembourg. For this 2023, there are new tax measures that has been announced, and for the new tax measures that has been announced for the year 2023 and moving forward, the 2023 draft budget law has been released by the Luxembourg government. The budget introduces a number of measures aimed at maintaining the country's attractiveness, which affected the individual physical aspects. Physical. It's not like the physical, like physical. Fiscal, right? The physical aspect. I want to share with you the modification of profit sharing scheme rules here in Luxembourg. Under the profit sharing scheme rules, the Luxembourg companies can provide a premium to employees 50%, which is exempted from the tax. Any beneficiary of this scheme must be an employee and must be affiliated to social security scheme either in Luxembourg or abroad in a country that has a bi or multilateral agreement for social security purposes with Luxembourg. I don't know if I did justice to this video, but I know that I'm able to pass the message. In this video, I'm trying to tell you that if you're working in Luxembourg and you have your social security card, I have my social security, and it is mine and my kids affiliated to that of my husband, because I'm not working in Luxembourg and I've never worked in Luxembourg. And yeah, in Luxembourg too, there are jobs that are permanent, like permanent for life, just like in Nigeria where you have the federal government jobs. In fact, any government job is permanent, right? But in Luxembourg, whether private or any kind of job, is actually permanent, and you have a social security card, or you have the social security scheme that says okay, you can take advantages from this and this and this and that. So that way, with your social security scheme, your tax as a family is reduced. You're single, you have tax to pay, and then remember, the companies also contribute more. Like, there are so many that is attached to your social security that you don't even know. Me, for example, I've not worked, so it's not something I can really say. These are something that I need to sit and ask my husband. You get what I'm saying? So there are a lot of benefits when you have a social security, or when you are affiliated to the social security scheme here in Luxembourg. And then companies also pay tax, and the tax is not even more. And then companies give their employees 50% premium, which is exempted from the tax. Like, it's not included in the government tax that you pay. In whatever thing you do in this Luxembourg, you pay tax which is being returned to the government and used to the betterment of the people and the country. For example, with the tax you pay, you get insurance. Okay, insurance is reduced for you. There are some times you go to the hospital and government takes care of all those things, and there are some times you get to pay just 20%, 50%, as the case may be. So tax here in Luxembourg is not that cumbersome or something that you feel worried for. It's not something that you should worry about, okay? It's something that, how do I say it? I'm looking for a better English. It's something that you pay knowing that in return you get something out of it, and it is also for your own good and for your own benefit. And it is something you must pay to the government. Whether you own a shop, you own any kind of business at all that is registered, you need to pay tax. And when you don't pay tax, the business will be shut down by the government. You cannot eat your own and eat the government's own. But in all of this, the tax is reduced. Like I keep saying, the tax is reduced. That is what all this English that I've been speaking in this video, that is what I am trying to say. And to think, this 2023, the tax this year moving forward will be. So don't come and tell me Luxembourg is expensive, because we are living here and we are not ready to move anywhere. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed to my channel, share this video, do all of those good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and bye.
See you again.